Hello friends, today's our presentation topic is segments of Earth and atmospheric structure. Age of Earth is roughly 4.5 billion years. It is third planet orbiting around the sun. Earth is only planet in our solar system having surface liquid water. Till date, it is home to the only known life in the universe. Segments of environment. There are four segments of environment: lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. Now let us discuss one by one. First is lithosphere. The solid component of Earth is called lithosphere and it includes soil, rock, mountains, etc. It consists of three layers. First one is core. It is very hot. It may be solid or liquid or both. Second layer is mantle. It is a solid state and largest of its mass. It is around 68%. It is rich in iron, silicon, oxygen and magnesium. Third layer is crust. It is outermost and thinnest portion consists of continental crust and oceanic crust. Second segment of environment is hydrosphere. The hydrosphere includes water found on, underground and over the surface of planet. Approximately 139.5 million square mile is covered by oceans. Since two-thirds of the earth is covered by water, that's why the earth is also called the blue planet and the watery planet. Water is one of the basic necessity of life. It is in the ocean that the first life form took shape. Third segment of environment is biosphere. It is a region where life exists. It includes about 10,000 meter below and 6,000 meter above the sea level. It includes domain of living things and there is continuous interaction with the elements of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Fourth segment of environment is atmosphere. The cover of air that envelops the earth is known as atmosphere, and as you know there are various roles of the atmosphere like it protects us from ultraviolet rays. It is made up of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide, etc., which are essential to sustain life on the earth. It balances the global temperature on earth, and as you know, it is carrier of water from ocean to land. Now atmospheric composition. This is approximate composition of atmosphere. Various constituents are shown, percentage by volume and concentration in parts per million. Atmospheric region is divided into four regions: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. First region of atmosphere is a troposphere and it is extended from surface to about 11 km. It is the lowest part of the atmosphere. Energy source for this region is heating of the earth's surface by the sun. In this region, greenhouse gases are present. Here temperature decreases with height, that is from 50 to minus 56 degrees centigrade. Here air circulation takes place. Second region of atmosphere is stratosphere. Stratosphere goes from about 11 to 50 km above the surface. Sun's ultraviolet light is absorbed by ozone and due to which temperature increases from minus 56 to minus 2 degrees centigrade. The boundary between troposphere and stratosphere is a tropopause. Third region of atmosphere is a mesosphere. and it extends from about 50 km to 85 km above the surface. From 50 km, very little ozone is present. That's why there is no solar heating, and thus temperature fall from -2 to -92 degrees centigrade. You see in figure, the orange layer is a troposphere. This orange layer gives way to the whitish stratosphere and then into the mesosphere. Last region of atmosphere is a thermosphere. It extends from about 85 km to 500 km above the surface, and there is increase in temperature from -92 to 1200 degrees centigrade. Since above 90 km, residual atmospheric molecule absorbs X-rays and gamma rays. Space shuttles are here, and pressure is very low at these heights. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.